This is a short instructional video on showing you how to take a new job in your BuildPro and setting it up in OneNote 2013. The first thing you're going to need to do is sign into BuildPro to access that new job. The job that I'm going to be working with today is Lot 21 on white-tailed deer. All the documents for that job have been loaded up to BuildPro already. They're located in the other tab on the JME screen. I'm going to go to Job Documents first, and you can see the documents that I'm talking about. We have the blueprint, the design centered drawings, the NOC, the permit, and the plot plan. Several of these we will need to have in our OneNote 2013. So the first step is to go and open up your OneNote 2013, and here is my neighborhood that I'm going to be adding this job to, Chandler Woods. So I'll click on that neighborhood or notebook, and then I'll need to add the job to that file. You can see I have all my other jobs that are already in that community. I'm going to come to the plus symbol, click on that, and it's going to ask me to add a new section. And I just title it Lot 21 and enter. So now the folder is open for where I want to put that new job. Let's jump back over to BuildPro, and the first one that I'm going to put in that notebook is a copy of the blueprint. So you click on that, it's going to ask me what I want to do, and I'll open it. Takes a couple seconds for it to download. Okay, but there it is. It opens the job blueprint in an Adobe file. Now I want to be able to send the entire blueprint over to OneNote 2013 in the job Lot 21. So I'm going to click on the icon that says print. It's going to pull up the printer that I'm asking it to print to, but I'm really not printing it. I'm more or less transferring it, if you think of it that way. I'm going to scroll down there and send to OneNote 2013. Click on that. The job involves 15 pages. Send to OneNote 2013 all pages. On the very bottom, I'm going to hit the print button. It's then going to process that Adobe file and transfer it over to my OneNote 2013 file. It's going to prompt me where I want that file placed. And we'll see that in just a minute. See, now once it completes processing it, it's going to flash over in my OneNote icon. My taskbar happens to be on the side. I'll click on that, and it's going to say select a location in OneNote. You notice that Lot 21 is there because I've already gone ahead into my OneNote folder and made a job folder called Lot 21. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to hit OK. Again, a little bit of processing has to take place. That blueprint will then be placed in that job folder in my OneNote. Now that the blueprint is posted to my OneNote 2013 in the lot that it pertains to, you'll see that it just labels them as printout and then page 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You can go back and title these the appropriate page that they tend to be it a foundation page, an elevation page, a first floor plan, a second floor plan, an electrical plan. And it makes it that much easier to access those. It's going to take a couple more minutes for it to process. So while it's doing that, let's go back to BuildPro and get the next document that we're going to need. The design center drawings are also important to have in your notebook. They're useful in checking customer selected options, and we're going to open those up, and you can see that that file is also able to be transferred the similar way. We're going to hit the print icon, and this folder is 9 pages. We're going to hit all pages, print, and this too will process through the OneNote processor. Again, it's going to flash the OneNote icon. Because we were currently working in Lot 21, you'll see that that's still highlighted, or my current selection. So I hit OK there. Again, the processing goes through. Jump back over to your BuildPro job, The next one that we're going to need from this section is the plot plan. We're going to open, hit the print icon, make sure that send to OneNote23 is highlighted. It's a one-page document, so it doesn't matter if you hit all or one page. Print that, and that highlights OneNote current section. And we're going to hit that. That's going to process through. Another document that you're going to find necessary to have in your folder is going to be the net effect. Now, in order to get to the net effect, we're going to go back to the job, get down to the community that I'm dealing with. Show jobs. We're dealing with lot 21. And in this menu here, you're going to drop down to net effect. Okay? Same thing you're going to do here. Choose the print as if you're going to print it. It's a little different layout, but again, you have options from the printer. You're going to hit send to OneNote2013, all pages, and we're going to hit print. It's going through the same process. It's going to highlight my OneNote, ask me where I want to place that, and I'm going to place it in the same lot 21 job folder. And there's the net effect.